Initially, they used to rely on boreholes and of course dams around this area, which is not sufficient. Of course, the water is not of good quality. And so students, the girls here, of course, you can see their smiles now, that of course after so many years, they have now been able to get clean water from the borehole that is now solarized.
So we would want to work with these communities, but also with the partners, to ensure that we are scaling up such interventions, not just in water, but also addressing issues to do with food security, health and all that. And you know the importance of water addresses all that. So this is again another indication how much as partners we can do to impact the livelihood of our communities.
This is an off-grid area where we don't have electricity. So Davis and Shirtleaf came in to also bring the solar systems that powers these equipment.